But we must choose to partner with him in choosing to love, forgive, honor, restore, and bless, especially those who curse you. This murderous spirit is stirring up trouble and strife. This spirit is attempting to murder and abort. But greater is he that is in us than he that is in the world. And as we partner with him, he is bringing his people to a place of moving deeper and further forward into taking their inheritance and new levels of destiny. United we stand, divided we fall. He's asking us to link arms in unity and love, honoring, blessing, embracing one another in the love of Christ, even in our differences and uniqueness. Yeah, I want to repeat that. Even in our differences and uniqueness. And my comment on that is simply, who are we to presume that we're absolutely right and they're absolutely wrong? Isn't that God's job? She continues here. I felt his heart wanting to bring reconciliation and restoration across the body of Christ. The choice is ours as to what we align ourselves in and what spirit we move in. Let us partner with him to see a greater move of unity, love, honor, blessing, and restoration released across the body of Christ. In conclusion, dear heart dwellers, now that we know these things, blessed